Well, here we go. Low tide in 2 hours. Land of Nada. Thursday. Well, I've been about a block. Nothing. But I did get a 27 right then. Looks like a sister to the one I found the other day. It was much more shinier. Maybe I'm going to get lucky. And that boy right there will light you up. That's a hot ticket right there. Very hot. 56. Solid. Fine 56. That's what I was looking for. Well, there's a 93. 93. He's a big one too, boy.
That's like a brand or something. I just saw I thought that was a business. The Gold Digger.
Yeah, this is the guy you want to call if you want to buy any of this stuff. This
Oh, really?
This came from.
Is he local down here?
No, he's in New Jersey.
New Jersey? It's pretty neat. I was thinking about checking it out. Dino rig. I like history and artifacts and stuff like that. And I'm from Appalachia, and we have a lot of the Civil War artifacts and stuff on our land. Yeah. What is it? Outfit like that? Run you a couple thousand?
15.
Okay.
Right, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Do I have the mumbles today?
I'll tell you. I don't know what the hell. There's something down. I ain't finding crap today. How about you?
Well, the land of Nada was very bleak yesterday. So I'm combining that video with the farmer's market of today.
How much is that the same?
We found some bling. I found a big cell phone. Another junk gold looking earring. Momo's man had about the same. No cell phone. There was lots of hot fire stinging nettles in the water. Pieces. Waves had broke them up. One or two great old whole ones. Them boys are hot too, man. Good gracious. They were everywhere. We'll see how the knife business goes today. I don't think we're going to go to the land of Nada tomorrow. We're going to let the tourists have it, and we're going to hit there Monday, I guess. Stand by for Saturday at Old Beach Farmers Market. Well, there's like 3 nitros. Plenty of people. I think it's 4 nitros.
Want to put that in the trash can when you're done?
We've been pretty good.
Happy?
We got that and those. 2 bags full over here. Some pocket knives here.
I want to get a camera for grandchildren.